Hello everyone, welcome back to RPIIT Academics. I am Avika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Vastada, Karnataka. Today we are going to discuss about the non-aqueous titrations. So first of all, we will look about the term non-aqueous, means in which water is absent. Non-aqueous. Aqueous means water. Titrations which does not involve the water are known as non-aqueous. Water means H positive and OH negative ions. Hydrogen and hydronium ions, H positive and OH negative ions are absent. Such titrations are known as non-aqueous titrations. So, titration which are carried out in the absence of water are called the non-aqueous titration. Water get dissociated in the ions which are H positive and OH negative. These are protons, means H positive, and conjugate base, that is OH negative. Titration of weakly acidic and weakly basic substances does not give good endpoint in the aqueous medium. Weakly acidic and weakly basic substances or titrations does not give good endpoint or sharp endpoint, due to which they are carried out with the non-aqueous solvents. So, other than water, solvents other than water are used. Such 4 types of solvent are used. First one is aprotic solvent. What does aprotic solvent means? These are the solvents which are chemically natural and inert. Aprotic solvents are chemically natural and inert, and they have low dielectric constant. Their dielectric constant is low. They do not cause ionization in the solvents and will not react with acids or bases. For example, benzene and carbon tetrachloride are its best examples of aprotic solvents. Next is our protophilic solvents. As the name indicates, protophilic means proton-loving solvents. They have high tendency towards the protons, and these are protophilic solvents are basic in nature. Weakly acidic drugs are usually titrated in the presence of strongly protophilic solvents, as their acidic strength are eliminated and then they are titrated with the protons. Next is our amphoteric solutions or next is our protogenic solvent. As the name indicates, protogenic means protons hitting. These are acidic in nature. And have low tendency towards the protons. For example, hydrogen fluoride and sulfuric acid. These are the protogenic which do not have the high tendency or which are having low tendency towards the proton. Next is our amphoteric solvent. Amphoteric solvent means both the nature are present in these type of solvent, means acidic, they act as acidic and basic both. They have tendency of accepting and donating the protons as well. They can accept and donate the protons. Due to this behavior, they are both protogenic and protophilic. These solvents show the behavior of protophilic solvent and protogenic solvents both. Best example of amphoteric solvent is glacial acetic acid. Best example of this is glacial acetic acid. So this was all about the solvents which are used in the non-aqueous titration. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.